Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to show bookmarks bar in a Brave browser. So to do this process, first things first is of course open up your Brave browser, and once you are here, you will just simply select the three lines on the top right corner. Now from here, you will have an option over here, bookmarks and lists, and you will have another side tab, and you will have a bunch of options over here. So you will have an option over here, show bookmarks. So here, as you can see, it will open up another tab, and you will only have three options. It's either only on the new tab page, never, or always. So if you want to turn on your bookmarks, you just simply toggle on always. And as you can see over here, we will now have our bookmarks. And when I create a window, and I can just simply go ahead and select on my bookmark, then automatically it will redirect me into that website, whatever I added to my bookmark. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.